Jeep, go attack the Anubis. Do your 1 damage. Yeah. He's gonna get bodied, isn't he? Okay, rocket launcher and ammo.
Yay! She did it!
I'm so sorry. Okay, enter his. Oh, I had oh, it's this thing.
You have it already?
No, but I've seen Bibu has it, and
Ah, let's go. Let's catch it. Duar, let's go.
Are you sure that rocket launching it won't kill it?
I don't. Nah, it's fine. See.
I don't think I'll be able to with my thing. Where'd it go? Kyla, where is it? Kyla,
That's too powerful.
where's the boss? Where'd he go?
I don't know if we go out and then go in. I don't know if it's gonna go back again. I don't know.
Yeah,
let's go out first.
We'll try it. It's worth a try.
Take 2.
Take 2. Do you have any pal balls?
I didn't bring it.
Okay, I have simple ones. He's in the wall.
What's in the wall again?
Yeah. I wonder if I can't pull it out with my pal ball. Yeah, maybe we should leave and not use the rocket launcher.
No, you need to use it.
I think I do. I need to use it, yes. But it's a little glitch. You see? It's just a little.
It's okay. We can do this all day. It's fine.
Okay. He's gone.
Take 4.
Okay.
Nice.
Where is he?
What is happening?
Where'd he go? What's happening?
Okay.
Okay, where is he? Oh.
Okay.
I don't know what to say.
Try again. Is this take 6 or take 5? I don't know. Okay.
I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna try to get behind him. Okay, I shot the floor.
Okay.
Oh!
Still there. Painful.
Okay.
Okay. Don't clip.
Okay.
Still there.
But can we hit him? Because it seems like he's still stuck in the wall. Nope, he's not. Okay.
Okay.
My shield is down, so I might die.
Don't die.
Oh, I gotta reload. Oh, shit! I don't want to shoot you. Oh my god, my health.
Okay.
Oh my god! I'm gonna die, Kyla.
No! Okay. Just go back.
no!
Just go back.
A few moments later.
Okay. He's not dead.
Okay.
Okay. I don't think
Nice.
that'll work.
It's okay. Try again.
Ugh. Please.
Nice.
Please! Ah!
Nice.
Yeah! I got the dragon! He moved really fast.
Yeah. What?
This is so OP. What level do you have to be to unlock this? Like 40?
It's 49.
Oh my god. Well,
Now with that, you can defeat all of the boss in this planet, right?
yeah. Here though, let me give it back to you because
Yeah.
yeah, that's too powerful. for the likes of
Yeah.
me.
I haven't tried to use it.
You should.
With the boss.
It's great.
Yeah, but I used it to destroy my base this
Mhm.
morning.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. So there's a
Wait,
raid, and then I tried. Right.
You destroyed your base?
Yep.
Oh.
Because there is a raid, right? After
Yeah.
I finished crafting that launcher, I was like, oh yeah, there's a raid. And then I was like, okay, maybe it's time to use it. Maybe I want to try it, right? And then, yep, one bullet, all raid gone, and my base gone too.